money. It's what everyone wants more of, but what most people lose without even realizing. What if I told you there's a financial trap that almost everyone falls into? One that quietly drains away the wealth you've worked so hard to build. And it's not flashy spending, it's not even debt. No one talks about it, but it's costing you more than you think. Don't worry, I'm not about to tell you to give up coffee. But this might hit harder than your morning latte. Imagine reaching 40 and realizing you missed out on hundreds of thousands of dollars because of this one hidden money leak. Scary, right? That's exactly why this video exists. Today, we're going deep into the biggest waste of money nobody talks about. And trust me, you'll want to stick around. Act 2, the buildup, breaking down the waste of money. Section 1, the invisible expense, subscription fatigue.
Let's kick things off with something deceptively small: subscriptions. Subscriptions were designed to be convenient, but they've become silent money vacuums. Think about it. How many subscriptions are silently billing your card each month? Streaming services, apps, meal kits. The average American now spends over $200 a month on subscriptions. That's over $2,400 a year. And here's the catch. Studies show we only use about half of them consistently. The rest, that's dead money. And it's not just the dollar amount that hurts. We're talking about something deeper, something psychological. But more on that in a bit.
Section 2, lifestyle inflation, the cost of keeping up.
Now, let's talk about a trap so sneaky that even the smartest people fall for it. Lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend. It's human nature, right? But here's the truth. The wealthiest people often live way below their means. Why? Because lifestyle inflation quietly kills long-term wealth. You're 25 and finally making good money, so you upgrade your apartment, get a nicer car, maybe even start eating out more often. It feels good now. But here's the dark side. Every increase in lifestyle locks you into a new spending level. And once you're locked in, scaling back becomes tough. Let me ask, how many of you have upgraded something only to feel meh about it a few months later? Let's dive deeper because there's another hidden expense that's even trickier and scarier.
Section 3, debt traps, the modern-day money pit.
Next up, debt traps. Now, I'm not just talking about credit cards. We know those can be dangerous. I'm talking about debt that looks good on the surface. Things like zero-interest financing, buy now, pay later schemes, and even student loans for degrees with uncertain returns. These debt traps disguise themselves as opportunities, but they're often the fastest way to limit your financial freedom. You end up spending tomorrow's money today at the cost of your future lifestyle. Think of debt as a chain, a golden chain, sure, but still a chain. And the worst part? There's one more trap that might surprise you even more.
Act 3, the resolution, actionable strategies, and final reveal. Section 4, the time drain, the true cost of low-quality decisions.
Let's talk about time. Yes, time. Because here's the kicker. Time wasted is money lost. All those hours we spend on social media, scrolling, and watching shows could have been used to learn a new skill, work on a side hustle, or simply build healthier habits. Studies show that young adults spend over 4 hours daily on their phones, often consuming content that doesn't add any real value to their lives, and before you know it, years go by with little progress toward your goals. But hey, who needs financial security when you got endless cat videos, right? Now that we know the hidden leaks, it's time to plug them. Let's talk solutions.
Actionable steps, plugging the financial leaks.
1. Go through your accounts. Look at every subscription and cancel anything you don't use. Don't let convenience drain your wealth. 2. Ask yourself if a purchase actually adds to your happiness or if it's just for status. Every unnecessary upgrade today is money lost tomorrow. 3. Before taking on any debt, ask, will this debt pay for itself in the long run? If not, reconsider. 4th, use time wisely. Start that course, learn that skill, build something. Every hour spent on self-growth is a step toward financial freedom. Imagine if you could avoid these traps altogether. What would your bank account look like in 10 years? This isn't just about saving money, it's about building a life of freedom, choices, and true wealth. And if you're truly serious about taking control of your finances, there's one more video I highly recommend. Because what's coming in 2024 might shake the very foundations of the stock market.
Click on the video here to discover how the upcoming 2024 U.S. election could impact your investment. It's a game changer you don't want to miss. Let's make 2024 the year you take control of your financial future. See you there.